Hello everyone, here's a quick update on the indoor do-it-yourself grow towers. Right now, most of my veggies are outdoors. However, I do have some plants indoors that I would like to show you. Let's start here. These are two absolutely gorgeous concept lettuce plants. They were started from seed about the first week of October, and then I transplanted them into the system about 3 weeks ago. From these plants, I harvest lettuce leaves for salads and sandwiches pretty much every day. Next, these are some burgundy bush beans that I started from seed about 2 weeks ago also. Bush beans seem to grow very well for me indoors. I don't get as many beans as I would outdoors, but that's pretty much true just about of any fruiting veggie I've grown inside. This bad boy is a sweet Italian pepper plant. This plant is the oldest veggie plant I have. It was started from seed and has been in the system for over 3 years. This one plant produces fruit all year long, but I do have to hand pollinate it each week. On average, I harvest about 3 to 4 peppers a week. I do prune it a few times a month, but I've let it stretch out downwards, as you can see from this backside view of the towers. There is a ripe pepper ready for harvest today. Now, let's move on to the succulents. I had an idea a few months ago to see how succulents would grow in the indoor system, so I purchased a few different types from my local nursery about 8 weeks ago. The stem of this yellow top moon cactus has grown almost 3/4 of an inch. It has also developed a ton of tiny little flowers growing from the main flower. This is another moon cactus. This cactus has been in the system for about 3 weeks. It was yellow on top, but now it is changing color to orange and red. All those small flower balls were not present when it was first added. This cactus has also been in the towers for about 2 months. Its size has grown a little bit. All of the light green prickly pear branches are all new growth. This succulent was a tiny little plant back in September. Since, it has grown about 18 inches. This plant has gained about 8 inches in the last couple of months too. This red top moon cactus I purchased at IKEA about 3 months ago. This succulent is looking pretty good and has grown about 2 inches since it was added. The bottom of this cactus stem has grown about a ½ inch already in a couple of weeks. You can see where the stem has grown out of the net cup. Aloe is perhaps one of the best growing plants in this type of system. This large aloe has experienced an insane amount of growth. I found it on the discount rack at Lowe's back in July. It was nearly dead and I bought it for $1. Since then it has grown to a massive plant. I've even had to tie it up to hold it from falling out of the net cup. This smaller aloe plant was added about 2 months ago as well, and it continues to grow very quickly. Finally, you've probably noticed a lot of money plants too. These plants are very special to me. In August, my father passed away unexpectedly. When I went home to New York to help my mom, she gave me a clipping of her money plant. Her mother plant was given to her by my dad right after they married over 50 years ago. I've now generated several new plants from the original cutting my mom gave me. I plan to generate several more clones from this plant. Then I have a special project in mind to display them in memory of my dad. I hope that you've enjoyed this update. If you like this video and would like to see more updates, please be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.